Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the United Overseas Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.uobgroup.com and hit enter. After the home page of the UOB bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the UOB Personal Internet Banking option. After you click on the Personal Banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the Forgot Username/Password button. Once you click on the Forgot Password button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, a form will appear on your screen. On that form, you will have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials. Click on the I agree option and then click on next. Once you click on next, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on the United Overseas Bank. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the United Overseas Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.